Guys, I'm back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you like what you see towards the end of the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button on your way out. And if you are subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I have a new unit to show you guys from the company Beautyforever. This is what the packaging looks like. I have not opened it yet, so I'm gonna open this on camera with you guys. Of course, you get your unit in this bag. It included an edge band. I'm pretty sure you guys don't care about none of this. And then in this little package, you get your wig cap, another edge band, some lashes, an extra wig cap. And they also included like this lace tape that you can put on your lace if you do not want to bleach your knots or do anything, or if you want it to look more scalp-like. I personally have not gotten the hang of these things, so I just stay away from them. And then of course you get your satin bag that you can put your unit back in. This is what the unit looks like straight out of the box. I'm not gonna wash this because I feel like it looks pretty good, but we gonna see, This is their new Bye Bye Knots wig. This one is the dark Auburn color. And it is in the length 24 inches. This unit does come with your 7x5 parting space area. So it comes with your pre-cut lace. Cap construction, you get 2 combs on the side. You also get a comb in the back, no adjustable straps back here, but you do get your adjustable elastic band. Also has a silicone at the back of the unit, so it can be comfortable on the nape area and around the side. Previously just tried another Bye Bye Knots wig, and I'm hoping that this one does fit me better. It looks like they did go in and pre-bleach the knots. Like you can't really see them, and if you can see a little bit of them, I'm pretty sure powder is going to help. My main concern is that the front of the lace is going to be too light. That is what happened on another Bye Bye Knots wig, so we'll see how that's going to work out. And of course they have those baby hairs right there. Right away, this one fits me way better. It fits me way better. I'm happy with the fit on this. If anything, I would say this lace part is still like a little bit too big, but it's not floppy, so I'm happy about that. I'm just excited that this fits me good, because y'all know justice for small heads, okay? Because some of these wigs just be too big for me. Using the comb in the nape area, and I didn't have to adjust the strap anymore, so I'm just really happy about that. But yeah, that's the only thing that I can see, is that the lace is just a little bit too big on the side, but I mean, nothing that I'm really too concerned about. The thing that I'm noticing is that off my head, I feel like the front of the lace looked a bit too light, and I was like, I'm gonna have to go in and add a little bit of tint spray. I'm not sure if I'm really gonna have to do that, because I feel like, let me look up. I feel like it looks good right now. I might go in and just add a little bit, but I feel like it looks really good. It looks a little bit more lighter on the side, but even when I push it down, I feel like it's blending in good to my skin. As far as the parting space goes, it already comes with a middle part, so you can leave it like this if you choose to. You can part this on the side. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave this as a middle part. Let me see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave this as a middle part. I might not, we'll see. As far as baby hairs go, y'all already know how I feel about them just sitting here. These are soft, so I'm just gonna pluck these out and thin them out, and then I'm probably going to move them around. But 24 inches in length. I like this color. I really do like this color. We're gonna see how this is about to work out. I'm gonna go ahead and get to styling this, and then of course I'll be back so you guys can see the final look, and also so you can hear my final thoughts on this unit.
practice what I preach. They lie or put her out my way, then get lost to see. Not sure what you wanted, but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, bet I hit a peak, yeah. but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, bet I hit a peak, yeah.
It's definitely speaking for itself. This is absolutely gorgeous. They did a really good job when it came to coloring this unit. This is the perfect fall and winter color. Like, look at this. It is, it looks good. This is a lot of hair. It's 180% in density. They do offer another option on the website as far as the lace goes, which is a 6x4, so that is 150%. Also, this is 24 inches once again. This is the longest length on the website, and you can get this starting at 16 inches if you feel like this is just too long. Do a glueless install. I did add some bobby pins on the side for extra security. I added some mousse in the front of the hairline. I did decide to keep these little swoops. I just plucked them out a little bit, and then I moved my parting space over. It does come already as a middle part, so if you want to keep that, you absolutely can, but I wanted to see what it was going to look like as a side part, and I'm happy that I moved it over. A very, very, very small amount of tint to the front of the hairline. That way I didn't have to worry about adding any powder, and I'm happy that I did that because it just blends into my skin so well. Like, it looks really good. I mean, look at that. Now you see me, now you don't. Like, y'all, that looks so good. Didn't have to add any powder to the front, but I did add some powder to the parting space area. My cap is dark, and then you can see the very start of it. So once I added that powder in, it definitely helped to conceal it. I mean, you really can't see it anymore. I feel like it just looks good. They did a really good job with pre-bleaching the knots. So you're not gonna have to worry about going in and plucking and doing anything extra. Unless you wanna get rid of the swoops, that's a personal preference. But that's really the only thing that I chose to do to the front of the hair. The mousse that I used to lay the lace down, I did use it to define the curls on this hair, and it did a really good job. After I wet the hair and combed through it, I definitely received a little bit of shedding. And then tangles, I mean, I expect this to snag up some because of the texture. And I also noticed some frizziness. I could have let this side dry down like a little bit more. Make sure you go in with some serum just to kind of help control that. But this side isn't as frizzy because this side dried down way better than this side. So I'm just noticing like a little bit of frizziness throughout the front. Of course, the more you play with the hair, the more frizzier it's going to get and the bigger it's going to get. The ends of this look good. I did have to chop a piece down on this side, but for the most part it looks good. When I turn around, I don't see any tracks or anything. I mean, it's laying down flat at the top, and the curls do start a little bit closer to the root area, but I mean, I really don't have any complaints when it comes to this unit. Yes, this is going to be more on the high maintenance side. One, because of the color, so it's probably going to dry out and you're gonna have to make sure to give it some TLC and the snags and the tangles that might go on. But if you know how to take care of this type of hair, I feel like you'll be good to go. It's definitely giving a look. This is really cute. If you're looking for some curls and some color, you want to turn some heads, this is definitely one you're gonna put on to go sit in the living room and stunt, okay? Because it's given. I would definitely love to see this in a shorter length also, but yeah, I like this length too. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you are feeling this unit, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.